In my previous video, I mentioned that there was an era in Igbo land where we used to use penny, sheshe, toro, and afa. I want to explain to you how it works, how I know, and I want you to use the comment section to tell me what you know if you were in that era. Don't forget to give me a like and a follow. All right, let's go. So the lowest money we had then was afo. Lowest money we have afo. Then 2 afo makes 1 penny. 2 afo makes 1 penny, and 2 penny makes 1 toro. 2 penny makes 1 toro, and 6 penny makes 1 sheshe. 6 penny makes 1 sheshe, and 10 penny makes 1 shilling. Why 10 shilling makes 10 pound? Or the 20 shillings makes ogo pound. That is 20 pounds. So if you were then, how about you tell me what you know about this money? So we now have 9. 9 is otu penny and 1 toro. Otu penny na otu toro. Otu akpa ego bụkwanụ 1 pound. Otu akpa ego 1 pound. Pam iri abụọ mere ọgụ pam. Pam iri abụọ mere ọgụ pam. Ọdịmma. So if you really understood what I was saying, how about you give me more explanation in the comment section? This is what I was able to gather from Ndeno those days, because I was not doing that era. I'm trying to educate you so that you know how it was. And do it to give me a follow, a like, and my thank you in the comment section. God bless you.